So my name is Bukya Krishna, rule number 20951A2130, Aeronautical Engineering. So today I want to discuss about difficulties in public speaking. So first we need to learn about what is the speaking barriers. Rough and unclear data or information about the topic, inconsistent communication, missing the flow and going too fast or too slow, unclear pronunciation, abrupt sentences or words, miscommunication or not understanding the listener, using negative words, meaning of some words may differ from region to region and culture to culture. So, what are the problems of public speaking? Even though many people routinely give speeches or presentations for work or school, they may still experience fear at the idea of having to stand in front of others and talk. Some speakers can become deviatedly by thoughts of what to say, how to keep the audience interest, and how to calm nerves. Much of the anxiety associated with the public speaking can be minimized. However, if you pay attention to overcoming the most common problems of public speaking, lack of confidence. If you don't have confidence in yourself, you will risk alienating the audience. Being obviously nervous is especially problematic because when we are nervous, listeners are more likely to focus on negative vocal and visual cues, says author Shirley Hamilton in Essentials of Public Speaking. Allowing time to prepare and practice beforehand helps speakers gain the sense of control necessary for the audience to trust and believe the message. Lack of attention to audience. Make sure you know the audience or the presentation will be unsuccessful. Researching their ages, culture, values, and current level of knowledge is essential to shaping the speech, tone, and content. Failing to relate the material to the audience, to maintain eye contact, and to read their expressions can negatively affect how your speech will be interpreted. Explaining how the material benefits listeners personally and using anecdotes attracts the audience attention. Lack of organization. You can lose credibility by not spending enough time gathering and organizing material. Conducting research about the audience, topic, and sources are preliminary steps. Arrange the information into an attention getting introduction. Craft a paragraph for each of the three most important points. Follow them with a conclusion. Attempting to speak on the fly invites disaster. It's standard practice to create an outline or put information on note cards to refer to as you speak. This method helps both the speaker and audience stay on track. Lack of preparedness. Practice the speech in full before delivery. Saying the words helps speakers hear where they are rushing towards, where to improve word flow and voice intonation, and how to project enthusiasm. Using technology or other visuals beforehand makes it possible to catch glitches that could otherwise disrupt the actual speaking event. Rehearsal also improves familiarity with the material, enabling speakers to field questions and maintain credibility. Lack of time management. Run through the speech to ensure it meets time requirements. Many speakers run overtime because they have not adequately rehearsed and timed to delivery of this material. If you are speaking for 10 minutes, rehearse for about 8. Advice Ronald Adler and Janie Elmhorst in their book Communication at Work Principles and Practices for Business and Professions. These tips may help us to overcome the fearness of public speaking. First, know your topic, get organized, practice, and then practice some more. Challenge the specific worries, visualize your success, do some deep breathing, focus on your material, not on your audience. Don't fear a moment of silence. Conclusion. The speeches you present will be given in a particular context. In your role as a communicator, you will encode and deliver a message which will then be decoded by audience members, also communicators. At the same time you are speaking, you will be receiving verbal and non-verbal feedback from the audience. The way that the message is decoded will depend entirely on the amount of noise interfering with the message as well as the world views of audience members. Thank you.